All right, we're gonna do an open French drain between the pool deck and the fence for two reasons. One, there's so much water being shed off of a non-permeable surface that we want to be able to move it quickly. So our high octane, the blue pipe, will pick that water up. We're gonna keep this all stone in between the fence, the pool deck. We got our yard drain connected to the Baughman Gold with two of those 12-inch round distribution boxes. We got a Y pipe connecting the yard drain and French drain pipe to a piece of dual wall with a critter guard. And I get bombarded with questions on how we do that. Don't overthink it. And if it's a quad pack, the two top ones, just put end plugs in them. The water's going to run through the top ones, which we do have over there. They're already buried, but the water's just going to go through the stone, through the top ones, because the high octane, guys, I'm telling you, don't overthink this. You're trying to connect all these pipes together. They don't need to be. Just put an end plug in there so don't fill full of stone. Put it in. It's creating giant areas of void that move water. That's what you want it in there for when you do your quad. When you do your quad, a lot of times when you're taking them to daylight, you gotta end the two top ones short, because when you're coming to daylight, eventually you surface, right? Not leaving a belly, the grade falls, so eventually they end up surfacing and coming to daylight. All right, guys, until the next video.